Welcome to our step-by-step guide on activating your foxsports.com code for second screen access. This feature allows you to enjoy live sports content across multiple devices for an enhanced viewing experience. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Sign in to foxsports.com. The first step in the activation process is signing into your Fox Sports account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.foxsports.com. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Locate your activation code. Once logged in, find your activation code. This will typically be provided to you via your TV service provider or during your setup process. You might see this code on your TV screen, within the app, or as part of a promotional offer. Step 3. Go to the activation page. On your second device, smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and visit the activation page at www.foxsports.com. Activate. Step 4. Enter the activation code. On the activation page, you will be prompted to enter the code you received in Step 2. Carefully input the code as shown to ensure it is recognized by the system. Step 5. Confirm the activation. Once you've entered the code, click on the Activate button. You will then be directed to a confirmation screen indicating that the second screen feature has been successfully activated. Step 6. Enjoy second screen viewing. Now that your second screen is activated, you can enjoy live streaming, stats, highlights, and other interactive features on your second device. You can track games in real time while watching them on your main screen. Troubleshooting. Tips: code not working? Double-check the code for accuracy. Ensure there are no spaces or extra characters. Activation. Failed? Make sure your devices are connected to the internet and that you're signed into your Fox Sports account. Still need help? Contact Fox Sports customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can easily activate the Fox Sports second screen feature and enhance your sports watching experience. Don't miss a moment of the action and enjoy the convenience of multiple screens. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.